Have you ever created a drawing and you just thought, gosh, I wish there was an easy way to transfer this to my canvas? Well, there are several ways, 3 of them that I'm going to show you today, and they're all quite simple to do. So the first method I'm going to demonstrate, I'll be using my drawing. This drawing I completed using charcoal on tracing paper. And don't worry, I will also demonstrate this method using a much thicker drawing paper. I'm going to carefully remove my drawing from this pad of tracing paper, and then I flip the drawing over. I want the side that I actually drew on to be facing the pad of paper. And now I'm going to take soft pastel and I'm going to draw on the back side of my drawing. And this is what I'm going to use to transfer my drawing onto my canvas. So you can see this is very simple to do, and using tracing paper made it really easy. But you can also use a thicker drawing paper like I'm demonstrating here. It's best to put it onto a window where the light is shining so that you can easily see the drawing through the light coming in through the window. And I'm going to use the exact same method using soft pastel. And now I'll show you how simple it is to transfer this drawing onto the canvas. Using my hummingbird drawing, I lay it carefully on the canvas, and I'm kind of adjusting the composition as I do this. And mind you, the side that I drew with soft pastel is facing the canvas now. And now that I've decided on the composition, I place a piece of tape onto the drawing. And the areas where I use the soft pastel to go over the drawing is now facing the canvas. And going over the lines of the drawing, I'm using a charcoal pencil, but actually you can use a stylus. I've even used the back side of a paintbrush. It just can't be sharp, but it definitely needs to have a hard surface so that the drawing will actually transfer very easily onto the canvas. Now removing the paper and the drawing, I now can see how this transfer turned out, and I'm really happy with it. It's going to be very easy to follow when I apply paint to this canvas. And since the pastel is soft and can easily rub off, you may want to go over the lines with something more permanent, like an acrylic marker or actually paint. So the second method is really easy to do as well, and I think you'll like that just as much as the pastel method, and that's using graphite transfer paper. Now I purchased this on Amazon. I decided to buy the roll because I think it'll be more useful, especially with larger drawings, rather than the smaller sheets, but they do have it in quite a few different sizes. So I cut the transfer paper to fit behind this drawing, and I placed it between the drawing and the canvas. I like to use these clips to keep the drawing in place, and it's also keeping the graphite transfer paper in place. I begin by going over the outline of the drawing using charcoal pencil, and I'm doing this to kind of reestablish the drawing and to establish the darkest darks. And then I switch back and forth between the charcoal pencil and the end of my paintbrush, which I use as if it was a stylus. As long as it's hard and it's firm when I press into it, it should transfer the graphite onto the canvas. I'm not sure why this is, but I can see how the color of the paper, especially around the face of my drawing, keeps going back and forth between black and white and color. But I can assure you this drawing is completely in black and white. I have not applied any color at all. So it must be the way the light is shining into the room. Here's a close-up look of how that drawing transferred onto my canvas. I am really happy. It's a very simple line drawing, but that's all I need. My drawing has successfully been transferred to the canvas. And the third method is actually my favorite, and I have used this a few times, and that is transferring your drawing onto canvas using a high-resolution print. So many of us have excellent phones and devices these days, and you can take a very high quality photograph of your drawing and then have it printed onto canvas. Believe it or not, this is actually a Giclee print on canvas, and they did a fantastic job. The reproductions may be done by different companies than what I use, so I do have a couple videos I'll link below to prepare the canvas surface for oil paint, acrylic paint, or charcoal. Not only is this a fantastic way of duplicating your drawing onto a canvas, but it also frees you up. Let's say you're a little bit fearful of proceeding into your artwork because you're afraid of ruining it. Haven't we all been there? I know I have. But when you do a print on canvas, the sky's the limit. You can experiment, you can do whatever you like, and then you can paint on top. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. But most of all, have a wonderful time painting, and I'll see you back here really soon. Bye!